the session on central bank. Now remember, we are done with the principles, the operations of banking. Now we are working on the central bank or central banks or the apex banks in a country. The main function of central bank is to act as governor So the main function of the central bank, they act as governors or they advise the national government on how to control the economy. So we look at the structure of central bank. Under the structure of central bank has been given mandate to do the regulation and supervision of all financial institutions in a country. In Kenya, we have commercial bank, which there are 42 in number, 28 commercial banks, domestic banks, and 14 international banks. Microfinance, they are 11 in number. Insurance, they are 49 in number. SACCOs, we have 200 in number. And foreign exchange banks or forex, we have 79 in number. Central bank. The main function of central bank is to act as governor of machinery of credit in order to secure stability of prices in an economy. It regulates the volume of credit and currency, pumping more money when the market is dry of cash and pumping out money when there is excess credit. In Kenya, central bank have two departments, namely issue department and banking department. Issue of currencies and banking department, they receive money. The function of central bank is one, issuing of currencies. The central bank is given the sole monopoly of issuing currency in order to secure control over the volume of currencies and credits in economy. Number 2 function is that bank to the government. It carries out the banking business of the government. Government keeps their cash balance in the current account with the central bank. Similarly, central bank accepts receipts and makes payment on behalf of the government. So this is another very critical function of central bank. Number 3, bankers, bank and supervisor. Central bank regulates and supervises all financial institutions in Kenya. They act in 3 capacities. 1, custodian of the cash reserve. 2, lender of the last resort. And then 3, act as bank of central clearance, settlement, and transfer. So it is the bankers, bank, and supervisors. Number 4 function, controller of credit and money supply. Through its monetary policy, which consists of 2 parts, currency and credit, the instrument of money policy includes bank rates, open market operation, and finally, cash reserve ratio. So these are machineries which are used by the central bank to control the supply of money. Remember, the economy has to have sufficient or stable supply of money. When there is supply of money, or when the money supply in an economy is stable, then the demand will be good and the business will be doing good, employment will be good, and the prices will be stable. Exchange control. Another duty of central bank is to see that external value of currency is maintained. So exchange control is done by the central bank. Stability of exchange control. Lender of the last resort. Another duty of central bank is to see that the external value of currency is maintained, stabilizing the currency. Custodian of the foreign exchange. It keeps close watch on external value of its currency and undertake exchange management control. So again, the other function of central bank is to make sure that there is stability in foreign exchange. Our exchange rate with other countries must be stable, otherwise we'll have issue. And this can only be possible when we export more than we import. Number 9 is clearinghouse function. Bank receive checks drawn on the other banks from their customers, which they have to release from Breweries Bank. That's another function which central banks plays, clearinghouse. They make sure that they clear all transactions from other banks to another bank. Collection and publication of data. It has also been entrusted with the task of collection and compilation of statistical information relating to bank and other financial sector of the economy. That means information is power. With this essential information in the market, people will make the rightful decision. People will make correct decisions, decisions which are fruitful, decisions which are productive. Thank you so much. See you in the next